We got the blue 31 with the rust, so we're going to try and get rid of it. Got a bit of it out, get the flapping wheel up here. There's a little tiny die grinder. Rusty. Got the die grinder on, getting a bit off, it's a bit pitting. Yeah, hard to film these. Got like majority of the rust out. I feel like the car might look like the car's life might get cut short with something else than these rust spots. So like, I don't think now they're really worried. They kind of were before because it was like growing pile of rust. The driver's side's a little bit worse, but it'll get there. It'll be right. We got the iron lack. Washington, I believe. Yep. Got Washington on this. Yellow rust removal. Now this is definitely not how you do rust removal, but we definitely have made it better, questionably. Doesn't look too rusty anymore. Oh, I missed a spot. Looks pretty good to me. Check out the other side. So we got this quick release kit. It's like 35 bucks. Got this wheel that's the same quick release as this one. So we're gonna try and switch up our wheel. Hopefully the Allen keys they gave us work out, which they seem to do. Oh. So we'll take off this steering wheel and see what happens. So the steering wheel is off. So I suppose it's one that doesn't actually work. So we'll just tuck it back up there. Bring it out the bottom of this. Might be able to rig up some sort of fucking one down there. Extendo wire. Yeah, extendo wire sounds like a treat, and we're gonna put one like there on the dash. Beep beep. Sick. Alright. So just do a quick release onto this. If it fits, seems to fit pretty good, hopefully. If we got holes that line up, which we do. I don't know if I should try the bolts that were already there, or like the nice quick release bolts that are like tapered to the quick release face. I think I might try them out. Let's try one of these out. It fits. Look at that. So we got all the tape bolts in. The good thing about these is it pulls this hub centered, which is cool because then it's all aligned nice. So we just nip these up. Yeah, they just like screw into the boss kit. Luckily the bolts are the same. Worst case I would have just used my old ones so I hold my steering wheel on. But yeah, this is like pretty much done up now. It's done up. I will check all the bolts. Alright, so you now bolt on the quick release hub on the steering wheel, but I already have one. So now we got this fucking drift wheel that's out heaps further. I might drop the steering wheel if I can. That's a bit better. Got this little lever on the side so we can drop it down. But now this line to the side, so I've got to basically spin this over one. So I've got to loosen all these nuts and bolts and just pivot the wheel to make the line straight. Well, I'll check my wheels are straight first. Yeah, that's straight. So I'll move this over. Well, I have this shifter and it doesn't actually fit, but like it screws on enough to be a shifter. That's on there, which is cross-threaded on there, and it works. So now there's a shifter. We got this quick release wheel. Dope, with the line going the wrong way. Start her up. Alrighty. Well, let's go see if we can get anywhere to rip it up at. Test out the new steering wheel. Should make it easier on my full back in my seat now. All this extra reach. This deep dish wheel, and the wheel used to sit back here. It used to lean here, and now it's back out here. It's a lot of fucking reach. Wait, this actually feels so much different. I'm like full like right back in my seat, holding my wheel like I'm like not even like a full length back in my seat. This is wonderful. So good. The full stunner, just holding the door open in the middle of the street. Okay, no way. Man, this is such a good feel. And the shifter, I'm not like holding on the fucking threads anymore. We might actually get some drifting going. So we're at my private drift track that the council made for me in my local park, because like everyone's been asking them for so long, like, can you just make some fucking public drift tracks? And like, what do you know, like they've gone and they put all the traffic cones everywhere just in the local park. They made us like an actual drift track for us drifters. Like, it's really nice that the councils have just like bound together. There's like heaps of them now in your local area. Go check, like all these traffic cones in the park. That means it's a drift track. Like, it's all marked up safety. They got all the like little flags where you can't go. The cones, like, you just block off the entry after you enter, so no one else can come in after you, and like you just like, you know, block off the car park. You get your little minutes for yourself. Like, fuck, this didn't hurt anyone as long as they didn't get hit by the car or something. Well, like,